Good morning. Now I am going to explain about random scan display and raster scan display. In video monitors, there are two display methods are used. One is random scan display, another one method is raster scan display. First we see about random scan display. In random scan display, the electron beam operates like a pencil to create a image. To create a picture or image, electron beam passed to the screen. In this method, the electron beam operates like a pencil to create the picture. The picture is constructed by sequence of line segments. In this method, usually each line segment have 2 points, starting point and ending point. In this method, the electron beam passed to starting point and moved to the ending point. In this way, the line is drawn in this display methods, where each point have the one coordinate x comma y. The random scan monitors are also called as vector displays or stroke writing displays or calligraphic displays. In this picture, the electron beam passed to the screen to create the first line, and again to draw a second line. To create a triangle, in this method, 3 lines are created. Next, we see the advantage of random scan display. The random scan display, one advantage is the electron beam is passed only the parts of the screen where the picture is to be drawn. Then another one is it produces the smooth line drawings. It has a high resolution. It is another advantage of random scan display. The one disadvantage of random scan display is it cannot display the realistic shades of scenes. Next we see about raster scan display. In raster scan system, the electron beam is swept across the screen line by line from top to bottom. As electron beam moves across each row, the beam intensity is turned on or off to create the picture. So the electron beam visits all the points line by line to create the picture. That picture definition is stored in memory called refresh buffer or frame buffer. This memory holds the intensity value of picture screen points. Stored intensity values are get from that refresh buffer to set the intensity of electron beam to create the picture. In raster scan display, each screen point is called as pixel or picture element. In creating the picture, at the end of each scan line, the electron beam returns back to the left side of the screen and begin with the next scan line. In this picture, the electron beam visits line by line to create the picture, to create the triangle. In raster scan display, there are two types of scanning method used. One is interlaced scanning, another one is non-interlaced scanning. Interlaced scanning means each horizontal line of the screen is traced from top to bottom. In non-interlaced scanning method, all odd number of lines are traced first, then even number of lines are traced second. The interlaced scanning method refresh rate is 60 frames per second. Non-interlaced display refresh rate is 30 frames per second. The advantage of raster scan display is it gives realistic image, more number of colors displayed in raster scan display. Then shadow scenes also possible in raster scan display. The disadvantages are low resolution and more expensive compared with the random scan system. Next, we see about the difference between random scan system and a raster scan system. Random scan system has high resolution. Raster scan system has low resolution. Compared with raster scan system, random scan system is more expensive one. Then in random scan system, modification is very easy. But a raster scan system, point by point, the picture is displayed. So modification is very tough. In random scan system, the picture created by lines. So solid pattern is tough in random scan system. But in raster scan system, solid pattern is very easy. Then refresh rate depends upon the resolution. Here in raster scan system, refresh rate does not depends upon the picture. Then only screen with a view on the area is displayed in random scan system. But in raster scan system, whole screen is scanned. Then random scan system use the beam penetration technology. Raster scan system use the shadow mask technology. And random scan system does not use the interlacing method. Raster scan system use the interlacing method. Then final difference is random scan system restricted with line drawing applications. But raster scan system produce the realistic display. Thank you.